The future of Rolls-Royce, a hyper-sports car concept. Ladies and gentlemen, imagine a world where the epitome of luxury meets the pinnacle of performance. A world where Rolls-Royce, a brand synonymous with opulence, refinement, and timeless elegance, decides to break the mold and venture into uncharted territory, the realm of hyper-sports cars. For over a century, Rolls-Royce has been the standard-bearer of luxury automobiles, crafting vehicles that are more than just modes of transportation. They are works of art, symbols of status, and embodiments of perfection. But what if Rolls-Royce were to redefine itself once again? This time by creating a hyper-sports car that combines its unparalleled luxury with breathtaking performance? Let us delve into this fascinating concept and explore what such a vehicle might look like. A bold departure from tradition. Rolls-Royce has always been a brand that marches to the beat of its own drum. While other manufacturers chase trends and cater to the masses, Rolls-Royce has remained steadfast in its commitment to exclusivity and bespoke craftsmanship. The idea of a Rolls-Royce sports car, let alone a hyper-sports car, might seem like a radical departure from tradition. After all, the brand has never been associated with high-performance vehicles